Yeah, start.
Hello everyone, I am Kush Vora, and today I'm going to present the our project FAU Management System on behalf of our team, Mark Rakesh Christian, Chanakya, Angani, Sonia Methwani, and Sai Priya. So let's start with the outline of the project. So first, we're going to start with the introduction of what the TM management system is about, who's going to do the what work in the project, what technologies we have used in creating the project, and the roles of TA applicant, department staff, and TA committee. And at last, what does the instructors do, followed by a summary. So let's begin with an introduction. So uh, today, the uh, s- Department of the Computer Science, the work of an TA applicant, it's really tough. So we need to create a system that's pretty much helpful for the TA applicants. Throughout this presentation, we will review every detail of this innovative approach, uncovering how it fosters improved collaboration and task completion. By leveraging this new system, we are enhancing efficiency and streamlining process to ensure smoother TA management at FAU. So let's embark on this journey together and discover how our efforts are making TA management more straightforward and influential with the computer science department at FAU. So firstly, talking about who's who. TA applicant dashboard is created by Sanmukhi Saipriya. Department staff dashboard is created by Sonia. TA committee dashboard by Mark Christian. Instructors dashboard by Chanakya. And the integration of the entire project is done by me, Kush Vora. So what technologies we are gonna use? Firstly, Munstack. Munstack is a combination of many different softwares that helps you create many different APIs on web as well as softwares. So first part of the Munstack is MongoDB. So MongoDB is a NoSQL database that stores data in a flexible JSON-like format known as BSON, that's binary JSON. It offers scalability and performance advantages, making it suitable for handling large volumes of data and high traffic loads. MongoDB's document-based model allows for schema-less data storage, enabling developers to store data in a way that mirrors the structures of their applications. It also supports features like indexing, sharding, and replication for data distribution and redundancy. The next part is Express.js. Express.js is a minimalist web application framework for Node.js. It provides a robust set of features for building web and mobile applications, including middleware support, routing, templating engines, and HTTP utility methods. Express simplifies the process of creating RESTful APIs and handling HTTP requests and responses, making it a popular choice for building backend services in Node.js applications. Its unopinionated nature allows developers to structure their applications according to their preferences, making it flexible and adaptable to various project requirements. The next is React.js. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces developed by Facebook. It allows developers to create reusable UI components that can be composed to build complex user interfaces. React uses virtual DOM. So DOM is a document object model. This model efficiently update the UI in response to change in application state, resulting in fast and efficient rendering performance. Its component-based architecture promotes code reusability, maintainability, and scalability, making it well suited for building modern interactive web applications with dynamic user interfaces. And the last part of the Munstack is Node.js. So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript code outside a web browser. It uses V8 JavaScript engine from Google Chrome to execute JavaScript code on the server side. Node.js provides an event-driven, non-blocking input-output model that is lightweight and efficient, making it ideal for building scalable and high-performance network applications. It has rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, making it easy to build web servers, APIs, and real-time applications. Node.js is widely used in combination with Express.js to build backend service of Munstack applications. So this was all about our technologies and tools that we used for creating the project. Now what are the different roles of TA applicant. So, first is applying for a TA job. TA applicant are like students who want to help out as teaching assistants in computer science department at FAU. Their first job is to apply for these positions. Secondly, sharing their story. They need to tell us about themselves by sharing their school and work history in something called a CV. It's like a summary for all the cool things they have done. Next step is talking about past TA work. If they have been TS before at another school, let us know. They also tell us about which course they helped with and when they did it. So picking the right course, they look at the list of the courses and choose the ones they're good at. And the last step is finishing the application. After filing out all the info, they click a button and send it to us. Uh, that's when we know they are interested in being TA for us. So the practical implementation of the TS role is shown by my teammate Saipriya.
Hi everyone. Now I'm going to explain about the TA committee role, TA applicant role. So first, it is a sign up of the application as a TA applicant. Once we are able to sign up, first a TA applicant should fill in the form. All the fields are mandatory over here. And we have put a restriction on email ID that only it will be able to accept the FAU email ID. It will not take Gmail ID or any other external mail ID. In order to show that, I'm just giving a Gmail account here. And from which date? The date is also from which the date the candidate is available. That is also mandatory over here. And the previous courses, like if he had experience for any other courses, he will be able to include those courses as well, like algorithms. I'm adding a couple here. And the eligible courses, the departmental staff will be able to input the courses, and whatever vacancies are there, he will be able to apply for all the courses, interested courses. And the candidate should be able to upload the CV and submit the application. It is not taking the application because it is an external mail ID. So if I give FAU mail ID, it will be allowing me to submit the application. Application submitted successfully. So once the application is submitted, it will be waiting for review from the TA review committee members. Once the TA review committee member the departmental staff should recommend it. Once the TA departmental staff recommends the student, the candidate is recommended. And the TA review committee, once they accept the offer or accept the candidate will be able to view his dashboard. Here, under review with the TA committee. So next, so these are the features of the TA applicant, and next departmental staff will be shown demonstrated by Sonia. Okay.
So after the TA applicant committee, the next role is of the TA department staff. So TA department staff's first job is they are the course organizers. Department staff are like the organizers of all the courses in the computer science department at FAU. They keep track of which course needs extra help from teaching assistants. Their next task is matching TS and courses. They look at the skills of the TA applicants and see which course they would be best at helping with. It's like finding the perfect piece to fit each course. Uh, uh, Furthermore, their task is giving advice. After they have matched TA with courses, they give suggestions to a group called TA committee. These suggestions help the committee decide who should help with which course. Their next task is working with the TA committee. Department staff work closely with the TA committee to make sure everything goes smoothly. They share all the important details and help the committee make good decisions. And the last job for the TA department staff is handling assignments. Once decisions are made, department staff take care of the paperwork and tell the TAs which course they will be helping with. They make sure everyone knows what to do and when to do it. So the practical implementation of the department staff will be shown by my teammate Sonia.
Hi, my name is Sonia Mitwani and I will show how the department staff works in this project. First, let's start with the sign up. Here we are adding the credentials of the administrator. Here, this is the dashboard. First, we will start with the input courses. Input courses. This is the courses where we can add the courses like, for example, let's add the cyber security principle. This is the subject. After submitting the button, we are adding this subject in the list of courses. This subject will be shown to the TA applicant while applying for the TA application. Let's go to application field. In this, the administrator will be able to view the information of the TA committee member. Also, it will be able to download the resume of the TA applicants. After clicking on the recommendation button, the recommended button will be disabled. It will be not shown because already the already the department staff has recommended the TA applicant to TA committee member. Let's go to feedbacks field. The department staff can view the feedback of the TA applicants who have accepted the approval of the TA committee member, and the instructor give this feedback. Thank you.
So after department staff, the next one is the TA committee. So the first and the basic job of a TA committee is making the decisions. TA committee is like a group of decision makers within the computer science department at Florida Atlantic University. Their main job is to decide which teaching assistant will help with which course. Reviewing recommendations. They look at the recommendations provided by the department staff about which TA should assist with which course. It's like double checking to make sure everything matches up well. Their next task is finalizing the assignments. Once they have reviewed all the recommendations, the TA committee makes the final decision about TA assignments. They make sure that each TA is placed where they can contribute best. The next job is forwarding the decisions. After making decisions, the TA committee sends these assignments back to department staff. It's like passing the baton in a relay race, making sure the right information gets to the right people. And the final task is ensuring the fairness. TA committee also makes sure that TA assignments are fair and balanced. They consider factors like TA experience, skills, and course needed to ensure everyone gets a fair opportunity. The practical implementation for this will be shown by my teammate Mark.
And I'll be showing how the TA review committee works. First, we do the sign up page. And we will select the roles and sign up. This is the dashboard of a TA committee member. The TA committee member will be able to see all the applications that are received. Also, once the TA committee member approves or rejects any student application, the options of approval or rejection will be gone. So if we select one of the application like here, if we select application of approved of Spider-Man, the reject option will be gone. Also, if we reject the application of this Avenger, also its other option will be gone. TA committee member is also able to download the resume of all the applicants. It can also check the feedback provided by the instructor. And this is how the TA committee member is gonna work.
So the final stakeholder of our project is the instructor. So first job of an instructor is teaching the courses. Instructors are like the captains of the ship. They are the ones leading the course within the computer science department at Florida Atlantic University. They teach the material and guide students to the learning process. The second job is assessing TA performance. Instructors are responsible for evaluating how well the teaching assistants are doing in their roles. They observe how TA interact with students, grade assignments, and assists in the class. The next is providing feedback. If they notice areas where TS could improve or if there are any concerns, instructors give feedback to TA committee. It's like offering tips to help TAs become even better at their jobs. The next task is informing future decisions. The feedback from the instructors is used by TA committee and department staff to make decisions about future TA assignments. It's like using puzzle piece to plan out the next steps. And the final task is collaborating the improvement. Instructors work together with TS and the TA management team to ensure that everyone is working effectively as a team. They share ideas and strategies to improve the learning experience for students. The practical demonstration would be shown by my teammate Chanakya.
Morning, everyone. I am Chanakya. I dealt with instructor module of our project. So, firstly, we start with the sign up page. We sign up as an instructor in our project in the FAU TA management system. Here, the major role of an instructor is to provide feedback for the finalized candidates, because after the TA committee will assign a particular TA to a particular instructor for a particular course. So after assigning a TA, the main job of an instructor is to assess the performance of that particular candidate in the classes and review him and provide the feedback. And this particular feedback can be seen by all the three remaining users, that is department staff, TA committee member, and even the TA applicant. So this is how we provide the feedback, like going to the For example, and we have also added a more interesting thing like rating system too, because apart from the feedback, we can also select to what extent the excellence of the TA matched to this particular course. And when we click on the submit feedback, this particular feedback will be submitted. Yeah, and you can you get a pop-up window, so the feedback is submitted, and this particular thing can be seen by everyone, the all remaining users. So when we click on the drop down menu here, yeah, we can see what is the feedback given and also what is the rating. So in order to go to the past and what rating we have given to different TAs, this will help you. So this is the major thing, and by providing this feedback and this rating, it will be useful for the future process and future assessing the candidates in future. Thank you.
And on successful submission, the candidate will be post accepting or rejecting, the candidate will be able to view the status.
Avenger.
Post submission, acceptance or rejection, the candidate will be able to view the status. Like if the candidate is rejected, it will be showing us rejected. If the candidate is accepted, it will be showing us accepted. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Put it all the project in a nutshell. Our TA management system is basically like a big teamwork machine at the computer science department at FAU. It helps us to organize and coordinate everything related to teaching assistants. Teaching applicants are the students who want to be TAs. Department staff, they are the organizers. They match TAs with the right courses and make sure everything runs smoothly. Uh, TA committee is a group that makes the final decision about which TAs will help with which courses. And instructors, they are like the leader of the courses. They assess how TAs are doing and provide feedback to help them improve. Overall, our TA management system helps us work better together, get things done faster, and ensure that TAs are helping out where they are needed the most. It's like a well oiled machine that keeps our department running smoothly. Thank you.